Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of flax seeds. These tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch, and I'm going to break down the 10 amazing health benefits you just can't ignore. We're covering everything from heart health to blood sugar and even how flax seeds can benefit your skin. Let's get started. First up, we gotta talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats, meaning our bodies can't produce them on their own. We have to get them from our diet. Omega-3s are known for supporting heart health, brain health, and reducing inflammation. Now you might be thinking, omega-3s, don't those usually come from fish? And you're right, but flax seeds are an incredible plant-based source of omega-3s, specifically ALA. Let's talk about fiber, the unsung hero of the digestive system. Flax seeds are loaded with fiber, both soluble and insoluble. And let me tell you, our bodies need both. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy gut. And a healthy gut means a happier you. Trust me, when your digestive system is running smoothly, everything just feels better. High cholesterol is a major concern for many people. But here's the good news. Studies have shown that incorporating flax seeds into your diet can actually help lower cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber in flax seeds binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This is a big deal, people. Lower cholesterol means a healthier heart. Now, I'm not saying flax seeds are a magic cure for cancer, but there is promising research suggesting that they may play a role in cancer prevention. Some studies have shown that the lignans in flax seeds, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties, may help slow the growth of cancer cells, particularly in hormone-related cancers like breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colon cancer. You don't have to eat a steak to get your protein. Flax seeds are a good source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, maintaining healthy hair and nails, and it also helps us feel full and satisfied after meals. Struggling with weight management? Flax seeds can be your new best friend. Remember that fiber we talked about earlier? It helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing overeating. And because flax seeds are also a good source of protein, they contribute to that feeling of satiety. We've already touched on this a bit, but it's worth emphasizing again. Flax seeds are amazing for digestive health. They act like a prebiotic, providing food for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. This helps maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, which is essential for optimal digestion and overall well-being. Chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. The good news is that flax seeds contain anti-inflammatory compounds, like ALA and lignans, that can help combat inflammation throughout the body. For people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, flax seeds can be incredibly beneficial. The fiber in flax seeds slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those drastic spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Want healthy, glowing skin? Look no further than flax seeds. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds help keep skin moisturized and supple. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritation and redness. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned a ton about the amazing health benefits of flax seeds. Adding just a tablespoon or two of these nutritional powerhouses to your diet can make a world of difference. From heart health and digestion to weight management and even glowing skin, flax seeds are a true superfood. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information. See you next time!